welcome back to my channel. I have another Dollar Tree haul. Oh my gosh, I have so many things, guys. I'm so excited. I have, the Dollar Tree has really been upping their game lately, and I found some really, really great things. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I found is like my favorite, like one of my favorite things. This is this wooden sign, and it says home is where the family gathers. And guys, it's solid wood. So any of you who do, I know a lot of you do crafts where you do Dollar Tree crafts and you use these wooden things to make other things. That would be great for that. You could always take the sticker off the back and put a different saying on the other one, and then you can kind of flip it over for different things, make it, you know. But guys, I love it just the way, whoops, I just threw it on the floor. Now we're back. But anyway, I love it just the way it is. And I feel like this would be, you know, several dollars at any other place. Okay, so the next item I bought, I don't normally buy little knick-knacky type things like that. That's not really me, but I could not help it with this. And I don't know, I may put it on a shelf. It's so Farmhouse, but also, guys, this would be great. You could take the base off of this and put this on a wreath or use it on crafts of any kind. Oh, there are so many possibilities with this little guy, and super cute, super Farmhouse, only $1. The next thing I bought is for a craft thing. Sort of a craft thing, like a craft gift thing. I bought these Bibles. Our Dollar Tree has not had these Bibles in for a while. So they have normal like paper Bibles, but these have, let me open the package. It's of course not leather. It's not even fake leather. I don't even know what it is, but it's kind of a leathery type vinyl kind of cover, and I just thought I am going to try to heat press like somebody's name on these. I think that these would be absolutely beautiful gifts for $1. I really wanted to get these back at Easter and Christmas time, but they didn't have any. But I did buy one in the black and one in the white. They both have the gold metallic foil, and I just wanted to try them out, and if they work really well, I don't know, I'll let you guys know, then I will do these as some gifts. It's super cute and only $1. Bibles are expensive. The next thing I bought is kind of random, but it is just a, about dropped it too, a box of tissues, and it is in Disney Princesses just because I liked it. And I'm going to use the tissues, but what I really bought it for was I've seen several like Cricut hacks where you can take this and when you're done with the tissues, then you can use this like for your vinyl scraps, like because of the plastic kind of catches like on your weeding tools and everything, and you can just stick your vinyl little tiny things that you're weeding out in there, and it's supposed to be really helpful. So I'm gonna give that hack a try. I'll let you know. This I bought for an upcoming trip. I thought it would be great to just throw in our like travel bag. It has like it's 18-piece hair emergency kit is what it's called, but it has hair ties. It's got some thicker ones, and so it's got, I think, 3 thicker ones, 3 thinner ones. It has several bobby pins, and then some of the like fabric hair. I don't even know if I can open it. I'll kind of show you without the plastic. It won't be as like blinding with all of these lights everywhere. But I just thought it would be great for traveling. It'd be great in your purse, and it comes again in this little pouch thing, so I can take it with me. But yeah, here's the things that it comes with, and it is the Goody brand. Yeah, a super great deal for $1. While I am putting this back together, I have to say I noticed that the Dollar Tree had scrunchies back. I'm actually kind of excited that scrunchies are coming back. Like any of you others, like 80s babies, and like love the scrunchies. And oh my gosh, like they didn't have really too cute of styles, but if any of you see donuts on a scrunchie, let your girl know. Like I need them. Okay, so the next item, I was a little disappointed because they only had one of these, and one of them's a little dirty, but I think I can clean it. You see how the little unicorn, but how cute are these? I think it would be really cute for your keys, and so I'm totally going to try it out because, you know, basically I'm a giant 7-year-old. I bought a bunch of nails. You guys know that I love the Dollar Tree nails. I opened this one because I wanted to look at it, and then I didn't end up, I was out of glue. So I need to buy some more glue. But these guys, these are absolutely everything. I mean, can you not, like Cinderella nails in the adult ones, not the kid sizes. And oh my gosh, if my nails could look like this, like forever, forever. Yes. Yes, these would be my nails. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Here's a little hack for you guys on these. Since they're only $1, if you buy 2 packages of the same ones, if you have one that doesn't quite fit right, or you need, because there's only 12, so you only have 2, you know, to play with, go ahead and pick up 2, and then you're almost for sure to have the right size nail, and still $2. Super cheap deal. And then I just keep the extra ones, and sometimes I just make my own set, you know, of different things. Super my favorite, my favorite. I bought some other cute nails besides that. These are super cute too. Look at these, guys. Oh my gosh. And then I bought some solid color ones. I thought these would, and I think that these maybe not. One of them I was thinking, no, these you have to put glue. One of them I was thinking had the sticky things on them, but I don't like that anyway. I always glue them. But these are in the solid color. So I got this. It looks black, but it's like a maroon. It's like a really dark burgundy color. On camera, it kind of looks black, but it's actually a burgundy color. And then these light pink ones, and then these gray ones. And I actually think that they'll be cute on their own, but I actually kind of think that they would be kind of cute mixed up. So maybe do like the pink with like the ring finger and the burgundy, or the gray, or alternating colors. I think that they would be cute kind of mixed up together. Okay, so in addition to those, I did pick up, because you guys know I've mentioned before that it kind of is coming up a little bit darker than what it is. But this is the Kiss Gel Strong Nail Polish. So it's not actual gel nail polish, but it's supposed to be like stronger. I don't know. But since I've been doing these instead of the acrylic nails, my nails have been growing out a little bit more when I keep them on, and then when I keep them off, they don't. But anyway, I'm not very good at painting my nails, but I did pick up some of that. Last but not least, I picked up a glass bowl and plate. My brother, I made him one of the big glass etched mugs. I'll insert a picture of one somewhere. I don't know if I have one of his. Anyway, I made him one with his name and his favorite sports team on it. And I made that for him for like Christmas or something a couple years ago. Well, he lives with a bunch of roommates. And so he asked me to glass etch him like a whole serving set. Because he's like, that's my like mug. And everybody knows like they don't use it because it's mine. And I don't have to worry about, you know, where my mugs went or whatever. So he wants his own like serving set. So anyway, so I bought him this plate, and I'm a glass etch, and how I'll do that is I will just mirror the image and glass etch from the bottom, and so it's not up there. And then this bowl, so that'll be cute. I'll put his the logo of his favorite sports team with his name and stuff on it. So that is what I got there. So that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. I got a lot of just random things, but I am really like, I have had some pretty good luck lately with the Dollar Tree, knock on wood, because sometimes you go and I'm like, they're never going to get anything in. But I'm really loving the things that they're getting in right now. And so I do have a whole lot of craft things. I haven't bought as much craft things lately. And I do have several craft projects that I am coming up. A little bit slower in the summer, but I have a lot of things that I'm wanting to do soon. So make sure you stick around and check back for them. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Thanks for being here, and I can't wait to see you again. Bye, guys.